Hi, welcome. It's Yvonne here. If you're new to my channel, I usually do Goodwill event hauls. I go to yard sales, thrift stores, garage sales. I just look for items either to resell or keep for myself. It's usually a handbag, an accessory, anything like that. It's usually what I look for. If you are interested in what I have for sale, I'm under Orejitagirl on Poshmark and on eBay. You can also sell on Poshmark if you would like. You just join using my referral, and I think they give you $5 or something like that. Like when you shop there, I think I don't remember anymore because it's been so long that I think they might have updated that, but who knows? But anyway, all you have to do is mention my name. At Orejitagirl, just put Orejitagirl and it should give you that promo. I'm not paid or anything by Poshmark. It's just something they do for every ambassador. Also, I'm under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram and on TikTok if you want to follow me on both of those platforms. I've recently have been getting free things and free samples in the mail. I just got a whole bunch of little samples recently. Also, I have videos already filmed for those, so I'll be posting those up. There's like 2 separate videos because it would have been too long to make it into one. Those are going to be posted right after this video. So keep an eye out for that. I already did a little reel on them if you want to go see like basically a preview of some of the stuff, maybe. And yeah, and I also did a TikTok, so if you're on TikTok, go follow me like I said. But yeah, I just love getting free things in the mail as well. So I usually get them through sponsored ads. So if that's something you're into, definitely, subscribe so that you don't miss that, because I especially follow me on Instagram. I'm trying hard to repost when I find other freebies being put out there from other platforms. But if you do want to follow somebody for freebies and deals and steals on Instagram, especially for freebies, it's going to be Lisa Loves Freebies. I just have her name down below. I have the freebie guy as well, the name down below on my description, so that you can go follow both of them. Those are the ones that I usually follow and get alerts from, but there's a lot of other Facebook groups and stuff you can sign up for. There's Telegram. There's just a bunch of different platforms that you can sign up for and get alerts with that. But yeah, so if that's something that you're into, definitely, like I said, give me a follow. But today I'm coming at you with a freebie gift, a freebie box, really, that I got through a sponsored ad. Now, I've gotten sponsored ad stuff before, so this is not really new to me. I just kind of followed suit with everybody, else that was doing it. And I did a little video on how you can do it. So I've linked it down below so you can learn how to do it too. It's very easy. Once you do it, like more than likely from those companies, the freebies will start coming out for you when they pop up. The reason I got alerted to this one was because somebody posted in a Facebook group that I'm in, and they said there's a new little box out, and I said I need to get that because I know that these boxes are really pretty much good from this company. So yeah, I just had to. And really, it's not even a company, it's a store. So I'm going to show it to you right now, and then we're going to unbox it. But I hope everybody's doing well today. It is Father's Day weekend, so just, if you're a father, happy Father's Day. To you, I am going to be celebrating with mine at home. Yeah, we're just going to have a good weekend this weekend. And that's going to be it. But it is hot here in Texas, so we're going to be indoors for sure. But let me know what you're doing for Father's Day. Type it in the little comment section. And if you have a channel here on Facebook, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll follow you back so you can subscribe, all that good stuff, because I love finding new channels to subscribe to as well. Here's the box. This is the little freebies box from Bloomingdale's. Yes, I love this one. Bloomingdale's always gives the best little boxes out. I got one before from Bloomingdale's, I think twice already, and they had some really good samples inside. So I love getting these. These are my favorite ones to try to grab. if they come out for me. So I'm glad I got this one. So let's unbox it and let's see what I got, because I do have to go inside in a little bit and do some stuff, which I'm not like, whatever. I'm just too tired today. It has been just a day today. It was just, I had to wake up early to go to a meeting, and it was just, yeah, it was just a lot. Getting up early to go to a meeting today was not my plan. But let's open it up and see what I got in here. Okay. There we go. There you go. So there it is. So just go ahead and take out everything that I got in here. I'll just leave it like that so I don't sneak peek anything. This is the Bloomingdale's Spring Beauty Favorites box. Yeah, and on the back it does tell you what you get, so it has the little listing here, stuff that you're getting, so that's great. So let's dive in and see what I got now. Okay, this first one is the Van Cleef and Pearl's Santo Blanc Collection Extraordinaire, and it has a number for it. It's the Eau de Parfum. Look at that. Yeah, let's see. Can you see? Oh, there you go. Nice. This is nice. So yeah, let's open it up and see. It's a little perfume sample. Nice. These are great to carry in your purse. These are just like the Macy ones, but in these, you get better ones. You get the more expensive ones than, you know, just your regular, I guess, you know, run-of-the-mill. I know some of them can be very expensive, but I mean, you're not going to get like a, you know, Dior here. You're going to get a little bit higher up sometimes. So a little bit more expensive. I know the Dior is expensive, but these are sometimes more expensive. Just depends on the brand. This is Clé de Peau Beauty UV Protective Cream 50 Plus Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. Wow, okay. And Clé de Peau is a pretty good brand for beauty. So nice. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Let's see if I can open it here. All right, this is nice. The Clé de Peau. Clé de Peau. There you go. Really nice little sample size there. And it even has the uses for it. I don't think you can read that, but anyway, that's a really nice sample. So these are always nice to look out for. I recommend these ones because these are always really nice. Okay, here we go. Viktor and Rolf. The Flower Bomb Original by Viktor and Rolf. This one always smells really nice, but this is actually the Flower Bomb Extreme. It's not the regular one. So it does smell a little bit more intense than the regular one. Okay, this is the Prada. There was a sample of this going around, sadly, but I didn't get it. So I'm glad I got it in this one. Or maybe this was it. I think this was the one that was going to send it. And this is the Prada Augmented Skin Cream and Prada Augmented Skin Eye Cream. I wish they would have been the little jars because those would have been nice. Because then you could have reused them with something else. But I digress. Still good little envelope, little packet samples. So great. And yeah, that's it. Box is empty. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little short video that I did on this little unboxing. And like I said, if you want to know how to get stuff like that, just definitely go and look at that video on how to get samples of sponsored ads. And I hope you have a great day and a great weekend and a great week. And I'll see you in the next video. And definitely keep an eye out for my other videos that I have coming up. I have a little handbag that's sitting over there that I need to show in another video. And that is coming up. I talked about it in the other video, but that is coming up. So, alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thanks for watching.